Welcome back to our new video fans. Today we are going to talk about talkback setting in Vivo phone. So guys, you want to own talkback and guys how to use talkback setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about talkback setting in Vivo phone, how to on and how it's work. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you're watching it the first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then let's click on shortcuts and accessibility, talkback, use talkback, allow.
Talkback on, talkback, double tap to activate.
And guys, most of people guys, they do not use talkback because a person who use talkback, a person who is blind and person cannot listen, so guys they use talkback and guys they touch and after guys they can listen, so guys they use talkback in phone and every phone. Not everyone guys use it, only a person who is blind, they cannot see, and guys a person who cannot listen guys, he use talkback setting in every phone. And guys, Vivo phone guys, I have told you how to on talkback setting and how it's work. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.